Okay guys, I'm going to walk you through how to turn our 1200 trifold seat from seat mode into bed mode. We're going to start off by removing the headrests. The next thing we're going to do is remove the upper portion of the backrest. So the next step is to lower the back portion of the seat. And to do this, you grab the rear tab, hold onto this, lift the tab, give it a quick push, and then lower it down. The next is to grab the front strap and this strap on the lower portion, pull the strap up and lift up to a vertical position. The next thing we're going to do is grab the middle strap, pull up, pull this seat portion down, and again lay that into a horizontal position. Then we move the whole seat back. So grab the bar, push back until the rear of the seat hits on the rear gables. We take our rear portion of the upper seat, place it into the lower, grab the front tab and lower it down. Remember to tuck your seat belts back away. Now you have a bed.